Okay guys, I want to show you how I designed this 3D logo. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so we want to design a 3D logo. Alright, so to design a 3D logo you need to type the text, click on the text tool and edit it. Increase the font size. I change the font typeface. Using this chunk 5. Okay. Increase the size the more. Alright. Color the text. We choose black color. We color it black. Let's increase the fonts again. Alright. Now duplicate this, copy it, edit it, type it, another text. Right, these are the two texts we are going to use to form the logo. Two texts we are going to use to form the logo. So let's arrange it in a way that we will need. Alright. Now let us merge these two texts. So you click on the layer icon here, and from there you come down to this sign here, you click it, choose the two layers you want to merge and click on merge. Click on OK. Alright, we have successfully matched those two texts. Alright, now click here. Let's choose a shape. Choose this shape. Adjust it. Just adjust this shape like this. Alright, you can color the text, the shape black. Color the shape black too. Give it a black color too. Alright, then let's merge two of them. Merge two of them. That is the text and that shape. Now duplicate this. Let's arrange them to center by clicking on this position, relative position tool. The other one. Alright. So pick this shape. You want to try and cut them. Alright, adjust it the way you see me do it. If you ever want to use this type of method to create your logo, just watch the way I am doing it. Watch carefully. Click here. merge this white shape now with one of these texts. Okay, all right, then come to these tools. With that the text and the shape meshed and selected, click on erase color tool. Increase the tolerance. Alright, now pick the shape again, do the same thing to the top. Anyway, this is what we would have duplicated it at once. Okay, just make sure you have a very good lock this too, so that you will not move them. What the best thing to do is to have these two shapes at once. So let's undo. Let's just undo it. Let's undo. All right. So now let's lock this two. Now look at this shape here. Place it like this. Let's use position 2. Alright, let's duplicate it. Place it here. 2. Use position 2. What you have to do is click on the layer, click on this tool, pick one of the shapes and pick one of the texts, merge. Now as you have merged it, just go straight to erase color tool. Click on the erase color tool, enable it. Yes, and increase the tolerance. Go back to this layer, click here, then pick the shape, the remaining shape and the remaining text, and merge the second text and the second shape and merge. Now still on the erase color tool, click on it, enable it, then increase the tolerance. Alright, now use position to check if you have. Can you now see? So alright, so what we are going to do right now is to give two of them different colors. We are going to give the first one, this one. Before that, we are going to match them again. Let's match it with, pick another, else it will give you problem if you when you want to color it, when you want to bring in a solid color, because we are going to use a solid color. So click on that shape, pick any shape, just fling it to hide it, then go to layers and click on that shape, pick one of these text and do what? Merge. Repeat the same thing. Pick another shape, just any shape at all. Fling it till you hide it. Go to layers, you still see that shape. Click on this icon, this tool here. Try merge it. Click on that shape and merge with the remaining text that you didn't merge. Second part, the down part of the cut text. Then click on OK. Alright, now you've successfully merged the two text, so you can see the way they are. can see their background is transparent now. That means we have meshed those texts with what? With anything, with shape. Now you can go ahead, pick one. The first one, this one, we are going to, as we click on it, come to these tools, click on texture, click on this texture tool, browse to where you have your texture. So this is the texture, the solid color I want to use. I click on it. Now click on the next one, the down part of it. Go to texture tool, this is it, pick it. Now let's merge two of them together again. Merge two of them. Merge two of them again together. Alright. The next thing we have to do is to type this text. Actually, this is my logo. This is my logo. So just bring it down here. I want to position it here. I'm just designing it as my logo. So pick a font, a suitable font, and then I will be able to so I pick this. Let me say I pick this, then so you have to give it a solid color. Click on the texture, paint this. Let me position it well. Can even use the zoom tool so that I can zoom in and see what I am doing. Click on it again. Padding right. Okay. So now let's match the two of them together. Match them. Now you can see you need a lot of matching. Match here, match there. Alright, after matching this together, we need to go and activate the 3D shape logo. Click on it and activate 3D shape logo. 3D shape tool. Activate the 3D shape tool. Reduce the depth size to about 4. Okay. Increase the dark about 80. Don't touch these rotations. Light simulation. Density, allow it. Specular hardness, allow it. You may just increase it. Okay. Now that's it. Now let's go to emboss. Enable it. Here you regulate these things depending on what you want, how you want it to be to come out. Now the next thing to do is to enable shadow. Reduce the blur radius. Let's keep it at 4. Okay. Then the next thing is to bring in a good background. Now this is not the background we are going to use. Okay, you can see that as I adjust the size, you see that distortion there. We are going to work on that distortion now. After design, why we have the distortion, it is because of the emboss tool we have used. So if you at this point, even if you save this logo like this, it will distort. So what you have to do is to merge this logo at this point with any shape. Just find a shape and merge it. You can see the thing has scattered. It's just scatter our logo, our defined logo that we just designed. Can you imagine? So what you have to do is to bring in any shape and merge it. Now let's click on any shape. Just fling it. Now go to layers, merge it, merge them together and see what will happen. Oh, the thing has scattered again. So undo it, undo the merge. Just try to adjust this logo, then merge it again. Right, so you see we've gotten it now. No distortion again, no distortion again. Hallelujah, no distortion. So now you are free to download. If you download it now, it will not distort. You can see I am resizing it. No, it is not distorting. So now let's bring in a very good background, a solid color to save as our background. You click on import. Okay, here is our background. Just click and resize it. Click to resize it. Make sure it fills. Click on the layers, take it downward. Alright, look at our logo here. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me lock it open. So this is now our logo. You can save it like this. You can also save it as a PNG with transparency, so that your customer or your client you are designing the logo for can use it anyway. Now you can save it like this. Click on the save icon, save to, save as image, and click on this image format, choose PNG, and default you choose ultra for high quality. Alright, then you click on save to gallery to save. Since I'm not saving it now, I already have it, so I don't want to save it. Now you can also delete this background, then save it as a transparent logo, something transparent that the person can place it on anything. So click on this background to background icon, then choose transparency. You can see it now. And from there you can click on the save icon, then save as image. Once you save as image, you pick this default to ultra, allow the PNG format to be there already, so you click on save. So this now will make the client or the customer to use this logo on anything, maybe to place on the ID card, to place on a business card, to place on letterhead, or any product or anything, especially when the person is branding the business. So that's the end of logo design. Bye bye.